Welcome to another video in the PLA 3.0 What's New series. In this video, we introduce our new PLA version 3.0.7. PLA 3.0 receives continuous improvements and enhancements. Major new capabilities are introduced with every version of PLA 3.0, and its add-ons. New versions of PLA 3.0 contain comprehensive and novel features, as well as refined functions. Add-ons allow entirely new analytical options and comply with state-of-the-art methods. While new add-ons or add-on versions take advantage of the most recent PLA 3.0 version, you can update PLA 3.0 and its add-ons independently. PLA 3.0.7 provides many updates to the user experience, the capabilities, and the technology of the software. The key features of this version include smoother keyboard navigation and accessibility, extended user support, refined grouping of creatable document properties, more capabilities for future add-ons, new database connection options, and more. PLA version 3.0.7 offers several additions and improvements for a seamless and convenient experience with the software. We refine the keyboard navigation through the software to conveniently access all parts of the UI. Simplify your workflow and save time by using shortcuts. Make sure to check our PLA 3.0.7 documentation for a full list of shortcuts. Always make the most informed decision with the help functions provided in the software. PLA 3.0.7 further improves the information available about settings in documents and dialogues. In this context, we also updated the Help Center on our website. Simply navigate from a major topic to a detailed description of the task you are interested in. We support and continuously update each topic with tutorial videos and PDF guides. Trial users of PLA 3.0.7 can also look forward to an optimized trial experience. The PLA login screen now shows more details about the current trial status, trial extension options, and the quote request. PLA 3.0.7 comes with enhanced capabilities when working with documents, and when analyzing data. The refined grouping of creatable document properties provides direct feedback about how such settings are related to each other. This allows you to easily identify alternatives, dependencies, and autonomous functions. PLA 3.0.7 add-ons cover a multitude of statistical methods and tools, which go beyond the everyday analysis of biological assays. Version 3.0.7 increases the capabilities even further. The PLA dashboard informs you when new exciting tools with state-of-the-art statistics become available. Finally, PLA 3.0.7 also supports the newest technology to keep your system secure, reliable, and performant. In PLA 3.0.7, you can now provide additional parameters to control the connection to an SQL database. This, for example, allows you to set up Microsoft Always-On clustering. PLA 3.0.6 introduced a new export format for electronic documents, in order to support the newest technological advances of the software. With PLA 3.0.7, you can now also export documents in the previous format for use with PLA 3.0.5 and older versions. This, for example, allows contract research organizations to conveniently comply with the demands of their clients. As a side note, you can always switch to an older add-on version in the PLA 3.0 add-on management to match your client's version. Speed up your workflow even more with PLA 3.0.7. Performance was enhanced in several areas: the overall usage of system memory, when generating reports, and when accessing the database. Please visit www.bioassay.de for more information on PLA 3.0 and download options. You can try PLA, upgrade your existing installation, or buy a license.